In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create your own voice chat channel here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this is going to work the exact same way on PS5, Xbox, and PC. I'm currently on PC, but the steps are identical across all platforms. To create your own voice channel though, up at the very top of the screen, what you're going to look for is the option for chat channels. Go ahead and select it and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. And from here, you're going to see the option to create chat channel. So go ahead and select that. And you'll notice right above that, it's going to say create your own chat channel to communicate with players across recent Call of Duty games. So like this, go ahead and name the chat channel. We'll go ahead and call it Just Boz Channel. Actually, let's call it Just Boz Chat. And then hit save. And as you can see, it's going to pull up with a page that looks like this. Go ahead and choose whoever you want to go ahead and invite to this. Let's go ahead and say I just want to do these two right here. Hit invite to chat channel. And as you can see, there's now going to be a Just Boz chat channel on here. And if you just want to join it, you just have to go ahead and tick on this little ticker and it's going to say that you're now on the Just Boz chat channel. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.